Hey, it's Jack here. I am going to show you an example of how you can vibe code or charts with exhaustive data from multiple sources using Deepline. So, uh, really quick example, if we wanted to find what we're going to do here is pull all the data we possibly can from multiple data sources and optimize for cost initially on that breadth call. And then we fill in the gaps with the more expensive exhaustive data sources like people data labs. So it's kind of like get the free, easy to validate data, make sure that that's like covering as much as possible, and then fill in the gaps wherever you need to. What you end up with is a pretty exhaustive data set here. So you can see, so we have Charlie, we have his direct reports. Let's go to Joseph and the data sources we're pulling from. We have Apollo, Deepline's native provider, and the org. And it's trying to find who the most, just every possible person. And then the two ways we can improve this are one, we can automatically pull contact information for the relevant ones. But let's look at Jack here. We have Apollo, lead metric, in the org. This we got information, and then we have the general reporting line. We're making assumptions based off publicly available data. For bigger orgs, I generally recommend adding job descriptions, and that comes from two places. Comes from individuals and how they describe their skill sets on their LinkedIn, as well as job listings. Job listings often have a lot of information about function, platform, and that is what a tool like Sample is really good at. So you can also just use Sample, use their API, and replace the backend part of this. But we're just coming up with like alternative data sources. Sample is actually a great option here as well. So you can see down to enterprise sales versus this section. We can pull this user. Let's say I want to actually run this. The example here, we have the org chart skill, and what it does, it finds everyone at the company. Here's the data sources that it's using. So it uses Deepline native, which gets a portion of senior leadership, then fills in the gaps with drop leads, Amplify, Apollo, and then people data labs to fill in the really high value users that are missed. And then it creates the UI. We have like a super simple hierarchy inference model based on seniority. If I were doing this like more at scale and I really wanted like extremely high accuracy for a particular company, I would add in job listings. So we have 4 or 5 different job listings providers per company. Go back as far as you can. So like their stack would be a good one here. And that would be the next improvement I make here. And that's going to push this accuracy significantly higher. Awesome. Yeah. So if you want to have questions about this or want to like replicate this, we'll be hosting during office hours. If you have any other challenges that you're like, there's no way you can do this in Claude Code, at this point, I just take it as a challenge. And so any GTM workflow, experience, automation that you're trying to build, just let me know and we will add it to the queue here. Awesome. Thanks.